To connect Twitch to PayPal, you need to set up and link your PayPal account with your Twitch account. This will enable you to receive payments for subscriptions, donations, and other revenue streams on the platform. First, log into your Twitch account and navigate to the creator dashboard. This is where you manage your channel, track your earnings, and configure your payment settings. Click on the Settings option and select Revenue from the drop-down menu. In the Revenue section, you will see an option to set up your payment method. Click on the Setup button next to PayPal. You will be redirected to the PayPal website, where you need to log in to your PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you have logged into your PayPal account, you will be asked to authorize Twitch to access your PayPal account. This is a standard procedure that allows Twitch to send payments to your PayPal account. After authorizing Twitch, you will be redirected back to the Twitch website. Your PayPal account should now be linked to your Twitch account, and you can start receiving payments. To confirm that your PayPal account is linked, navigate back to the Revenue section in the Creator dashboard. You should see your PayPal email address listed as your payment method. It is essential to ensure that your PayPal account is verified to receive payments from Twitch. You can verify your PayPal account by logging in to your PayPal account and following the verification process. By linking your PayPal account to your Twitch account, you can receive payments for your streaming activities and monetize your channel. Make sure to follow the best practices outlined by Twitch and PayPal to avoid any issues with your payments. In conclusion, connecting Twitch to PayPal is a straightforward process that requires you to set up and link your PayPal account with your Twitch account. By following these steps, you can start receiving payments and monetize your channel on Twitch.